M-Elec is partnering with electricians across Australia to offer packages to consumers for various products completely installed. Today, we will cover the fundamentals of the job and what is required to ensure everyone is completely satisfied. Firstly, you need to be part of M-World. It's M-Elec's platform dedicated to electricians. If you haven't already, head over there and register now, melec.com.au/membership. Once you've registered, you'll need to complete a few online courses to ensure you're ready for any work that may be offered. There are several available right now and many more to come. A great start would be to complete the Code of Conduct and then the Stitchy Fundamental course. Once you've completed these courses, you'll receive an email outlining your new achievements and a badge you can display on your vehicle to let others know how you've skilled up. Once a consumer buys from M-Elec, we will contact one of our local M-World members who's completed the applicable course to arrange installation. When you've been given all the information from M-Elec on the job that requires completion, you'll need to contact the consumer within 24 hours to arrange a suitable time for the work to be completed. For the stock required for installation, simply go to your local wholesaler to pick up the goods, or if you don't have a local stockist, call M-Elec to make suitable arrangements. We also suggest making sure you email the client a list of required details so that when you arrive, everything is ready to go. This is especially important for stitchy installations when you'll need to set up the client's smart devices like Alexa or Google, which require a Wi-Fi and account details. When attending a client's site, it's imperative that you do your best to represent your own company and also M-World. Little things like turning up on time and making sure that you use your P's and Q's can go a long way to get follow-up business. When you arrive at the job site, we suggest you run through the job with your client, explaining what work will be conducted, the products which will be installed, and the locations. This is vitally important to ensure the information you've been provided by M-Elec lines up with the client's expectations. Once the client has signed off on the locations and details, then you can begin the installation process. In this example, we are installing a Stitchy Pack 3 into the client's house. This pack includes 4 dimmers, 6 switches or relays, 2 sensors and 1 Hue bridge. Also included is the installation and setup of 1 smart device, such as a Google Mini or an Alexa Echo, and a phone or tablet from the client. The best installation procedure for this type of package is to start by installing all the Stitchy modules behind the appropriate switches, the sensors, and the Hue, finally followed by the smart speaker. We always suggest installing the smart speakers in locations which are frequented and most used by the household residents. Kitchen, lounge rooms, and dining rooms are all great locations when there's only a few devices, but for optimal coverage and control, every room should have a device. Once all devices are installed and powered up, you can use the instructions found on M-Elec's website or videos on YouTube to commission the units. Take great care when naming the devices, as unique names or locations may be hard for your smart speaker to understand. The system needs to be fully operational as per the signed off document prior to leaving. The consumer should also be walked through the installation prior to leaving and shown how each of the devices operates. Leaving the consumer impressed with your professionalism and the new equipment's features will only encourage the consumers to organise more work. Please take your time and ensure the clients feel comfortable with all the apparatus before leaving. Since the consumer has pre-purchased this package, M-Elec will not be paying for any variations unless agreed to in writing before attending the site. We strongly suggest that if the client would like any variations or add-on work to the agreed list, that you quote the job and complete the work at another time.